right, good morning, traders. This is your free video from seasonalswingtrader.com. Hope everyone's having a great week. Today is Thursday, March 2nd, 2017. This morning, we're taking a peek at May copper, May high-grade copper, HGK7 on most platforms, HG meaning high grade. And we've got a 1, 2, 3 top in the making right here. We've got a fresh number 1 point here on February 13th. Have a number 2 point down here at the 265 half level. And we notched a number 3 point yesterday. This morning, we're trading down about 1.5% in the 269 half area level. So if we start to see a further breakdown, our ultimate confirmation will be a break and a close below the number 2 point. More conservative traders can wait for a close and then a possible retest back up or a second close below 265 to get short. Our targets will be down here. First target at the 251 area, and then ultimately the 247.75, 248 level, which equates to about a $4,300 to $4,400 per contract move. We did get a 1, 2, 3 top here back in early December. It did come down and trade nice and put us into profits. We tried to get another one here in late January, early February. Did not confirm, and now we do have a fresh high here and a fresh 2 and a fresh 3, and again we're trading here today, so we need to wait and see if we close below the number 2 point for short entries. Looking at the seasonal standpoint here, you can see that we are starting to drift a little. We get a bump higher here, and then we start to drift moderately lower to the downside over a period of time into April and May. Looking down here at the 10 and 15, can't ignore this right here. We take a pretty steep drop down, so that further validates our seasonal move with this topping formation pattern. Okay, now we flip over to JJC, which is the corresponding copper ETN. And for those that are not trading the commodity futures, commodity options, we can look at JJC. Both all around the copper market, whether it's futures or the ETN market, are fairly illiquid. So please exercise caution when you're entering these orders. Do not go at the market on anything. The bid and ask spreads are just a little bit wide to do that. So looking here, we have, again, further confirmation that the market from around March 2nd all the way into June will trade historically lower before putting a bottom here in late June. Probably won't hold the trade until that long. We'll look to take our first profit objectives right here, but as long as we have this 3-bar trend line holding, that would keep us in the trade. Once we start to break this trend line here, that would be a sign to exit. But ultimately, first targets will be the 251 and then the 248 areas on May copper on a break below 265. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.